As per our DOGELON Mars cost forecast, the cost of ELN is basically anticipated to increment by 0.00000006566768 over the course of the following 7 days, coming to $0.000001353464 by September 21, 2023. Assuming that you generally are looking for DOGELON Mars market estimate, examination or cost expectation, you likely for the most part need to basically know where the cost of DOGELON Mars, ELN, may go from now on. Our cost expectations utilize different machine-based calculations to attempt, and all things considered, anticipate future cost developments, which is very critical. This cost forecast basically is pointed toward responding to the greater part of your inquiries. Will DOGELON Mars ELN by and large recover its all-time high? What will DOGELON Mars most certainly be extremely worth 1 month from now? Is presently the perfect opportunity to purchase DOGELON Mars in a by and large significant manner? Is DOGELON Mars as of now giving bullish or negative indications? In this DOGELON Mars cost expectation estimate, we will process different ELN specialized pointers to foresee the cost of DOGELON Mars. Throughout recent days, DOGELON Mars has been giving negative indications, as the coin dropped 8.49% in a significant manner. Because of this, we expect in every practical sense, slight recuperation inside the really 1 week from now, as financial backers generally make the most of this plunge as a potential chance to purchase ELN, which is very critical. Underneath you can see the DOGELON Mars hourly, day-to-day, week-after-week and month-to-month cost expectations, which is genuinely huge. These expectations plan to provide you with a sign of what DOGELON Mars will really be truly worth in 60 minutes, today, tomorrow, over the course of the following week and next month. The current cost of DOGELON Mars generally is $0.00000128777797, and it is presently positioned number 276 out of all digital forms of money. How much stock as of now available for use for DOGELON Mars generally is 549,652,770,159,580 with an in every practical sense complete market capitalization of $70,659,512. In the beyond 24 hours, the cost of DOGELON Mars has expanded by 1.04% in an especially significant manner. DOGELON Mars generally struggles with picking up speed throughout recent days, down 8.49%. ELN is giving negative indications this week. This moment could be a decent opportunity to basically contribute in the event that you in a real sense are considering purchasing DOGELON Mars, which is very huge. Inside the genuinely most recent 30 days, the cost of ELN dropped by 11.46%, diminishing its past worth of $0.00000001454469 by $0.00000016666812. This current downtrend implies that DOGELON Mars in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time. The cost of DOGELON Mars has fundamentally dropped by 16.54% in the essentially most recent 3 months, disposing of $0.00000002552106 from its past worth of $0.00000001542990 our DOGELON Mars market gauges are resolved utilizing different machine-based calculations, which dissect different specialized pointers. Certainly, for example, the overall strength list, RSI, moving commonly normal combination difference, MACD, moving normal, MAMA, normal genuine reach, ATR, and Bollinger Group's BB. The crypto market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable. Foreseeing future sticker costs of DOGELON Mars is a troublesome errand, and numerous different elements impact the cost, or so they thought. Subsequently, the forecasts on our site ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you ought to do sort of your really own examination. Counsel your monetary consultant prior to going with any speculation choices. Amazingly, DOGELON Mars ELN Value Expectation 2023. As we recuperate from the crypto winter, we are expecting that DOGELON Mars will accomplish a greatest cost of $0.00000231800034 as the market begins to recuperate in every practical sense in opposition to mainstream thinking. The base expected cost is $0.000001545336, and the in every practical sense normal cost will sort of drift around $0.000001931669 in an unobtrusive manner. DOGELON Mars ELN Value Expectation 2024. As DOGELON Mars proceeds to explicitly arrive at new highs, our calculation expects that in 2024, DOGELON Mars can fundamentally accomplish a very most extreme cost of $0.000003605781, while the typical cost for the year will remain around $0.00000321944992. On the off chance that a bear market shows up, the base value ELN can reach in 2024 is $0.000002833115. Incredibly, DOGELON Mars ELN Value Forecast 2025. Of every 2025, we anticipate that DOGELON Mars should see great development as crypto earns respect across numerous business areas. Accordingly, the cost could truly reach as high as $0.000004893562 averaging around $0.00000450722888. DOGELON Mars could see a base cost of $0.00000412089449 in a significant manner. DOGELON Mars ELN Value Expectation 2026. With the preceded with development of capital in the crypto market, DOGELON Mars could really arrive at a buy and large greatest cost of $0.00000618134424 in 2026, with an especially normal cost of $0.000005795085. On the off chance that an auction happens, the base cost expected in our forecast sits at $0.00000540867446. DOGELON Mars ELN Value Forecast 2027. Considering the reception of ELN by nations all over the planet, DOGELON Mars can guarantee a for the most part greatest cost of $0.00000746912221 by 2027, with a really normal